I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites quickly. The Homepod is powered, your iPhone or iPad uses the same Apple ID, and Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi are enabled. Once done, open the Home app and locate the Homepod tile. Tap and hold the tile to access settings, then scroll down. This begins the reset pathway. You do this because the Home app issues the reset command securely and ensures the device removes paired accounts and settings. You now initiate the actual reset. In the HomePod settings, choose Remove Accessory or Reset HomePod, then confirm the action when prompted. Make sure to watch the top light and listen for the tone sequence. These indicate the factory reset is proceeding. If the HomePod is linked to an Apple ID and asks for authentication, sign out or remove the device from your account first. This prevents activation lock and lets the reset complete smoothly. Finish by letting the HomePod complete its restart. You should see a white spinning light, then a pulsing clean white state ready for setup. If it doesn't, try the manual hardware reset. Unplug, wait 10 seconds, plug back in and press the top firmly until you hear 3 beeps. This forces a factory reset. If problems persist, reboot your router and try with another iOS device. If that fails, contact Apple support for activation or hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.